How to fix unable to add a card to Apple Wallet. Having trouble adding a card for Apple Pay on your iPhone or iPad? Here are some steps to troubleshoot the issue. 1. Restart the wallet app on your iPhone. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to access the app switcher. Find the wallet app and swipe it up to close it. 2. Ensure that your device is up to date. Go to Setting, General, Software Update and check if there are any available updates. If so, install them. 3. Restart your device. Go to Setting, General, shut down and slide the power off slider. Once the device is off, press and hold the top or side button until you see the Apple logo. Then release the button. 4. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet via cellular data or Wi-Fi. 5. Check data and time setting. Go to Setting, General, Date and Time and enable Set automatically. Ensure that the settings are correct. 6. Verify your Apple ID region. Go to Setting, tap your name, then go to Media, Precautions, View Account. Sign in if prompted and check the country region setting. 7. Check your address details. Go to Setting, Your Name, Payment, Shipping to verify that your address including the zip code is entered correctly.